The first step is to use a primer. For Marianne, we used a mattifying primer because she has a slightly oily skin. Using a foundation brush, focus the majority of the product on the center of the face and blend outward. Apply concealer beneath the eyes. For darker skin, use one with a yellowish undertone to neutralize any dark circles. For lighter skin, opt for a peachy pink option. Blend with your ring finger because it has the least drag on the delicate skin of your eye area. Add a little concealer on the inside corner of the eye for that bright-eyed look. Apply to the outer corners of your face and the brow bone. Dab a little along the bridge of your nose and on the cupid bow of the lip. Make the eyes pop with a dot of shimmery gold pencil on the inner corners of the eyes. Cover the lid with a primer. Brush and fill the eyebrows with an eyebrow brush and pencil to get a strong and defined brow that frames your face. Cover the lid in a beautiful soft bronze, using the same color dotted along the lower lash line. Draw in between the lashes with a dark chocolate brown liner. Apply plenty of black mascara in a zigzag motion. Cover each lash and separating them at the same time. Use a blusher with an orange undertone and a slight shimmer, blending upwards and outwards. Apply a peachy sheer lip gloss. To eliminate shine, apply powder to the T-zone.